Okay, nerves are connected from the head and neck region. This is the head region and this is the neck region. Look at here, this is the neck region. Region means hissa, part. So the head region and neck region directly attached with the brain. It directly attached है brain के साथ. And the nerve from other parts of the body, look at the other part. This is called the other part of the body. जो remaining part है आपकी body का, that is connected with the spinal cord. Look at these are the ribs, and these are also, here also so many veins, so many nerves. They are also connected with the backbone. So they are connected with the spinal cord. The center point is called, the center line is called spinal cord. So they are connected with the spinal. The remaining part is connected with the spinal cord. जो remaining आपकी nerves हैं वो किससे connected हैं? They are connected by the spinal cord, and the spinal cord is connected to the brain. Look at how, where it is connected. It is directly connected to the brain. And what is motor nerve? What is the mean by motor nerves? Motor nerves क्या होती हैं? Motor nerves send signals from the brain. It also sends signals from the brain or spinal cord to the muscles and glands. अब motor nerves में जो आपके work कर रहे हैं, that is muscles and your glands. आपके जो muscles आपकी body में हैं, that is attached with the bones. What is muscles? Muscles is attached with the bone. Bone can't do work alone. It need muscles. By muscles you can move your body. It also gives support to the body. And the muscles and glands that are called motor nerves. What are they called? They called motor nerves, and they help in your movement. Okay, the brain, spinal cord and nerves form a very efficient communication network. ये एक बहुत efficient communication network बनाती हैं. This network is known as nervous system. What it is called? It is called nervous system. As I told you, how nervous system do work? By the help of nerve cells. आपका nerves brain कैसे work करता है? By the help of nerve cells and neurons. I told you nerve cells are also called neurons. In my last lecture I told you the nerve cells are also called neurons. So they do work in the brain by the help of nervous system.